And welcome to Investing Insights. I'm Vivian Deniz. Here with me today is Matamec Exploration's President, Andre Gauthier. Andre, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you very much, Vivian.
In starting, can you tell us a little bit more about the company and your projects in Quebec?
Okay, Matamec is a junior mining exploration, working mostly in Quebec and Ontario. Our flagship project is the Kipawa deposit with the joint venture with Toyota Tsusho. And what is interesting also for Matamec, we explore for rare earth, okay, and also we explore for gold and base metal and other precious metal. But our focus, the mainly focus, is on the rare earth project.
So you mentioned exploring for other metals, but focusing on rare earth. What is the reason behind the decision to focus on the heavy rare earths?
Okay, the heavies with the if you know that you have a light rare earth deposit and heavy rare earth deposit. Okay, the most valuable rare earth is the heavies, and also more rare than the lights. We don't compete with the light deposit as Mountain Pass owned by Molycorp. We compete with the South China clays, where those China clays produce more than 90-95% of the heavies in the world. And for our deposit, it's what is important that we are enriched heavies, and also we have a simple process, low cost and everything. That's why Toyota chose Matamec to produce heavy rare earths for the marketing and production for the hybrid and electric car.
You mentioned Toyota. Your partnership with Toyotsu Rare Earths they're helping you finance your feasibility study. Can you tell us a little bit more about offtake agreement potentials, or if you're going to be just keeping Toyota?
For the Kipawa deposit, Toyota, we signed with Toyota the joint venture. They will fund the 16 million for the feasibility study, and we will finish that feasibility study by June this year. Okay. And also, Toyota will buy 100% of the production. If you ask me for other customers, we own also the Zers property. It's owned 100% by Matamec, and we explore that project, and we discuss with other customers, big customer, depending of if we find a deposit on that project.
So if things work out as hoped, you should be straight for somebody else to come in and.
But we're very happy to work with Toyota. It's a very nice partner and help us to develop our process and everything. But we are open for, if we find other deposit, to work with other big end user.
Yeah, Toyota is definitely a big name.
Yeah.
So you're on track, I'm assuming, to bring out your feasibility study for the second quarter you mentioned. What are the next steps after that happens for Kipawa? Okay.
Concurrently of the feasibility study, we discussed the offtake agreement with Toyota and the financing. With the conclusion of the feasibility study, Matamec and Toyota will take the decision to go in production, financing the project by the end of this year. That's our plan, and to be in production by the end of 2015.
So just in closing, Matamec is located mining mostly in Quebec and in Ontario, which we know is very friendly mining jurisdictions. How do you compete with your other companies? What sets you apart?
The other competitors of Matamec for heavy deposit, it's for example Quest with their strategic deposit in Quebec. That's for us that the only competitor on the heavy in Quebec, and we think that each deposit can provide the rare earth market, but what is important is to sign with the end user, and what is the difference between other competitors that we sign with the end user, that because the rare earth you need a customer. Without customer, where you sell your product.
So Matamec is a little bit ahead of the game with their product with Toyota. Well, it sounds good. Thank you very much for joining me today, André.
Thank you, Viviane.
It's been a pleasure.
Yeah.
That was Andre Gauthier, president of Matamec Explorations. Matamec trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol MAT. I'm Viviane Diniz for Investing Insights. Thank you for joining me.